first thing we want to talk about is our promise. Thank you for participating. Being respectful. Ooh, that's one. I hope you do that for your parents. Here, we would not interrupt or be mean. Thank you for being on time. Please stay muted. You're gonna hear why in a moment. Change your name if you need to. Stay in your spot. Keep your eyes on me. Here we go. Now, all right, so we have the end of October and we are still celebrating Ania's and Ariana's birthday. We'll have some new friends' names up there in a moment. We do have some new friends for this week. What I've noticed, Julian, awesome Zoom promise keeper. We're gonna talk about that more in just a moment. Adeline, Addie, amazingly detailed responses. Good work. Vashvik, wow, turning in all those assignments. You are amazing. Great work, guys. Those names will be up here all week. I wonder who it will be next week. Before I move on, though, I need to tell you about a special incentive, a special event that we will have. If you've noticed, my background has monsters in it, right? So I was talking to one of my friends who's trying so hard to be a good promise Zoom keeper, right? A Zoom promise keeper. So we came up with an idea. Since a lot of you are really good artists, why don't we choose the person who wins the weekly Zoom Promise Keeper to draw me a picture, and I will use it as my background during the whole week's Zooms. Yeah. So who's an artist? Raise your hand if you love to draw and paint and color. Yeah, I know. Look at all those friends. Yes. So if your name ends up here for being an awesome Zoom Promise Keeper, you get to draw my background. That's right. Anything you like that's appropriate that I can put up on our Zoom right behind my head. Would you like to do that? Me too. Me too. So guess who's going to be the first one? Julian. Yes, that's right. Julian gets to draw my background for me. So let's see who is the best Zoom Promise Keeper. Here we go. What are we doing today, Miss Cruz? Today, I will use concrete models or drawings and strategies based on place value. You know place value, property of operations, plus, minus, what do I do here? And the relationship between addition and subtraction. So I can add within 100, sometimes subtract. I know I have it when I can relate the strategy to a written method and, wait for it, hold on to your seats, explain how you did it. That's right. You need to be able to explain. It's not good enough just to write an answer. I need to know how you did it. What are we going to do next? We will use place value to add and subtract within 100. Magnificent math vocabulary. Oh, okay. Put your hands over your head if you've heard the word doubles. Put your hands to the side if you've ever heard the word compare. Put your hands on your head if you've ever heard me say solve it. And put your hands on your chin if you know this word, equation. Yes. Oh, these are great math vocabulary words you should be using. And these are ones you should write down. We're going to add to this list. You should have it during our DBAs. But what is today? Today is the most special day. It is Word Problem Wednesday. It's when I get to ask you word problems. You know, a problem in words, and you have to solve it. Do you remember the cubes method? Yeah, well, it's kind of like that. It's using strategies to help you solve it. So we're going to choose one day a month for Word Problem Wednesday, and today's the day. So what we're going to do is go through a series of slides that shows you all the strategies we've learned, and then we will do the NearPod. We'll do about 3 or so questions to talk about and to show you how to solve those problems, right? Practice those. And then if nobody interrupts, we will play a game at the end. That's right. We will play a game at the very end. Okay? Okay? Okay. All right. Yelini, don't answer. Don't raise your hand yet. Don't do it. Put your hand down for now. We will get to that NearPod in a few minutes, I promise you. There I am. I'm in Star Wars. Well, guess what? A strategy is like a tool you can use, and the correct strategy can help you solve problems. Think of a math strategy like a tool you can use, maybe in your toolbox. Choosing the right strategy will help you solve the problem efficiently. Well, guess what? That word is going to be in your word vocabulary next week. Efficient. Let's talk about what efficient means, and let's have a little fun with that. What is efficient, Miss Cruz? Oh, I know. Fast and correct. When you are efficient at your job, you are quick and you are correct. So imagine for a moment that your father, your adult, said, my child, please go to the kitchen, open up the refrigerator, and get me a bottle of cold water. So that's a word, that's a problem. You need to go solve it for him, right? So you get up, you go to the bathroom, you take the dog for a walk, and you bring him a bottle of ketchup. Is that right? No. Did you understand the assignment? No. You need to go and figure out what that problem really is. And then you didn't do it very efficiently if you took too long. And you didn't do it efficiently if you didn't get him the right thing. So a word problem, you have to stop and think, well, what's the fastest way I can get him what he wants? I have to get up, walk directly to the kitchen, open up the refrigerator, pull out the coldest bottle of water, close the refrigerator, and walk back to him as fast as I can. That is solving a problem. There are many problems in life you must solve. Finding out the fastest and quickest and most correct way to do it is how you will solve your math problems. Now, we know our strategies because I have been talking about them since the beginning of the school year. Look at all those beautiful strategies that you know. Arna knows this one, face value. Ava knows this one, hundredths chart. Vashvik knows this one, number line. And who else knows it? Yeleni knows the count-on strategy. And Michael knows doubles and number bond. Ooh, who was the number bond? Johnny knows a number bond. And who else? Jaden. Ooh, reverse it. Very good. Look at all my friends. Almo knows tens frames. Joshua knows that hundreds chart. He loves it. And Benito, ooh, he is the count on master. Christina loves her tens, rods, and ones. Miss Addie, she loves her number bonds. Larissa is so good at her number line. Siddharth knows his way around the hundreds chart. He can go up, down, backward, side, side, everything. Don't unmute, don't unmute. We're going to keep going. And oops, somebody just entered. Let me let them in. If I missed you, you're still a star. Here we go. Now, there's another way to do it in my classroom. A long time ago, I used to put it on a spinner. You guys can make one too. These are online available. You put in all the names of the strategies and then you can spin it. And whatever one it lands on, you can try. Okay? And if it lands on number bond and you try solving a problem using a number bond and it doesn't work, spin it again. Try a different strategy. Isn't that good practice? I like that practice. All right. So I think that Julian's totally going to do all of this. Like I said, it's free online. You could go find a spinning tool and enter in the strategies. Now, what are we talking about? Ooh, we're getting close. We're halfway done and getting closer to our NearPod. Here's an example of a word problem. Tonight, Lisa's homework took 13 minutes. Last night, it only took 10. How many minutes in all? Well, what are we asking here? What is the question? Let's see who knows it. Are we asking to subtract? Are we asking to add? Are we asking for a bottle of ketchup? What are we asking for, Vashvik?
We're asking to be added.
Very nice. So awesome. Thank you so much, sir. You can tell when we are saying there's keywords. Remember, we can circle the numbers. Yep, 13, 10. Underline the question. How many minutes in all? And look for the keywords. Box it. In all means gimme, gimme, gimme. Put them all together. Oh, that's adding. Fabulous. Then we can go ahead and solve it. 13 plus 10 equals potato chip. No, that's not right. Now we have to figure out how to solve it, right, Jaden? There's many different ways to solve it. So let's talk about it. Get it? Taco about it. Here we go. We need to find a strategy that is the most efficient strategy to solve this problem. Let's try a few to see which strategy will work the best. Got it? All right. What can we use this for? We could, Johnny, could we use models and counters?
You can count the ones since there's the same amount of 10.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you, Johnny. Yes, she said you can absolutely use your 10s and 1s to solve. Thank you, Johnny. Go ahead and mute. You can absolutely solve this problem using 10s and 1s. Excellent. What else could we do? Oh, look at this one. Siddharth, could we use place value?
Yeah, but I did it as 10 plus 10 equals 20 plus 3.
Oh, that's place value. You'd put how many 10s and how many 1s. Mwah, beautiful. Thank you, Siddharth. Okay, let's try another one. We're going fast. Who's that hundreds chart king? Let me find another one. Almo, could we use a hundreds chart to solve 13 plus 10?
Yes.
How? How could we do it? Go to what number? Go to pickle?
No.
Go to ketchup?
No.
What number should we go to? Quick.
Okay, 13.
Yes, done.
And then we go to 10.
We go to 10 or we slide down a 10? Ready? Let's stack another.
Down a 10.
Woo, there it is. Just slide your circle down one group of 10, one pancake down, the number would be 23. All right, Larissa, could we use a number line?
Yes, you could use a number line.
What do we do?
So find a number, the bigger
Any number?
one.
Oh, the bigger one. I
Yes.
like that. Okay.
That's it. And then we're going to jump 10 times.
Woo, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10.
You land it on 23. That's the answer.
Kiss your brain, very efficient. Thank you so much, Larissa. Go ahead and mute.
You're welcome.
Could we do a count on? Addie, could we do a count on strategy? You remember, put a number in your head.
Yeah, you can. You do 13 and you count on to 10.
To 10 or 10 more?
10 more.
Oh, let's try it. Okay, 13 in my head and count 10 more. Here I go. Let's put it in our head. Say 13, guys. 13. Ready? Keep going. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Beautiful. We could use that count on strategy. Only problem for this one, it isn't the most efficient, is it? It can take too long. You might run out of fingers. It doesn't always work. So it's good for little numbers. Yeah, I like the little numbers. Hey, a couple more questions. Let's see. Benito, could we use doubles to solve it? How would we do that, Ben?
Okay. Okay.
You remember what doubles are?
Doubles or that. Okay. Doubles are like that.
It's the same number, right? They're like twins. Speaking of twins,
Yeah.
can you see it on my screen?
Yeah.
What's the first twin? What is this one? It's a
10.
10. What's the second twin?
10
10 plus 10. And how many extra babies left over?
equals 100. Equals 13.
That's right. 3 babies left over. Thank you. Kiss your brain. Awesome. You can use doubles. The only problem with doubles is we don't always remember our doubles. Thank you, honey. You mute. You don't always remember your doubles, and then you might have too many left over, right? So can we use more than one strategy? Joshua, do you think there's only one strategy allowed to answer a word problem?
No.
No. Could we use multiple or different ones? Yeah. But let me ask you a question. Will every strategy work?
Not everyone.
Exactly. Good work. I like that. So out of all of them, which strategy was the best one? Let's try Arna. Arna, did you happen to like one of the strategies better than the other?
I
Josh.
like the doubles.
You liked using the doubles. That was a tricky one, but we could use it. Very nice. All right, let me ask somebody who has not had a chance to talk to me. How about Michael? Michael, did you happen to like one of the strategies best? Can you unmute? Okay. Which one?
The twins.
The twins. You like doubles too. Everybody likes the doubles. Thank you, Michael. Christina, what was your favorite? Thank you.
The counting on strategy.
Oh, I like that counting on strategy if we don't run out of fingers, right? Because we don't want to go to our toes. Thank you, my love. Hey, Jackson, which one was your favorite?
The hundreds chart.
Ooh, you like hundreds chart. Go to the 13 and slide down 110. I love it. That was fast. Thank you, sir. Yeleni, which one was your favorite?
Double plus two strategy.
That was good, right? I like that too. Julian, which one was yours?
100 chart.
You liked Mr. Hundreds chart too. Fabulous. All right, everybody's had a chance to talk, so let's move on. We are going to NearPod. Here we are going to log in. Let me put that in our chat. Who is that? Hmm. Hmm. All right, let's see. Joshua, is your sister available? Can you go get her? Can you go get your sister? We need to talk about what you're doing in the chat. And everybody else, please stop writing in the chat right now before we are unable to do our game. Ooh, the next person who writes in the chat, we won't get to do our game. Stay out of the chat. My monster face is coming. I'm going to be checking that chat. There better not be any words in there. Going to lose our game, guys. I don't want to do that. So right now, what we're going to do is stop sharing. We're going to go over to our NearPod. And then we're going to choose about 30. Let me find it. Where is it? Where'd you go, NearPod? We're going to choose 3 good questions from the NearPod. There are more than 3, so that when you can practice them on your own, you'll be able to practice multiple word problems to become the most efficient. But for now, we only have time for 3 because I have my small groups and we want to get to the game. All right, I'm checking that chat. Good. I don't see anybody writing. Be careful. Now, let's get started. Our code is up at the top right, way up here, UVCNX. It is Word Problem Wednesday. We are going to talk about how to solve word problems the most efficiently we can. So once again, you remember why we're doing this. Today, we are using models or drawings and strategies that help us add within 100, sometimes subtract. You know you have it when you can use the strategy, solve the problem, and explain it. Yes. All right, so don't write on this one yet because this is just my example. So there will be a word problem at the top. I will read it twice. Your job will be to choose the strategy, solve it, and then be able to explain how you did it. Here's mine. I read it. Lee threw 12 baseballs in his first game. He threw 5 in his second game. How many baseballs did he throw? I will read it twice. Notice what it's asking me. And then I will try to solve it using the best strategy I know, or I think will work for this one, which was count on. Oh, it's easy. I could put 12 in my head and just count on 5 more. That's super easy, Miss Cruz. And that's how I get my answer. Are you guys ready? No scribbling either. There we go. First problem. It's the same one. So what strategy will you use? I will read it twice. Lee threw 12 baseballs in his first game. He threw 5 in his second game. How many baseballs did he throw? Read it again. Lee threw 12 baseballs, then he threw 5 more. How many baseballs did he throw? Okay, I know what it's asking. And I'm gonna peek and see how you guys are doing. Remember, you not only need to give me the answer, but you need to show me how you did it.
Mrs.
Right?
Cruz?
Oh, hello?
Hey, can you tell me the password for NearPod?
Sure. It is, okay, it's in the chat. It's also up here on the left, capital UVCNX.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, pups, let's see how we're doing. Oh, I see a number line. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, I see tens rods and ones. Ooh, like that strategy. What else do we have? We have count-ons. Ooh, I do see count-ons. That's right. Yeah, oh, I like it. Very good, guys. So you're using different strategies. Oh, hundreds charts coming. Ooh, I like that number line. Fabulous. Wow. If you just wrote the answer, Zara, like you have a subtraction. So stop and think about what it's asking you to do. In other words, Dad told you to get a bottle of water, but you did something different, right? So this one's asking us to add the numbers together. Oh, first 12 and 5 more. The and is gimme, gimme. More. So try adding instead of subtracting. Woohoo! So wonderful job, guys. You can see most of our work. If you have a subtraction, you might not have understood the assignment. The assignment was to add them together. Oh, I see a place value. That's very good, guys. All right, let's see. Hey, Almo, explain to me how you solved it. Remember, part of today's lesson was being able to explain how you did it. Almo, quick. How'd you do it?
I did it by using
What are these?
the tens and rods.
Woohoo! I love it. That is place value tens rods. And it's also considered a model. That's right. Or a drawing. Very good. Oh, wow. Let's see. How about Siddharth? Siddharth, tell me how we circled the you circled the strategy. How did you reverse it?
I put it he did like 1 second. He did 12 baseballs and he threw 5. So 10 plus 5 equals 15, and I added 2, so it equals 17.
Oh, so you know what you did? You actually did a different one. You did the counters with the tens frame. You made a 10. That is such a good strategy. I love it. Thank you, Siddharth. Vashvik, tell me how you solved it. Then we're going to go on to the next one.
I solved it by using the number line.
Oh, tell me how you did that.
So then I first started from 13 because we already know that we have 12, so we will start from that.
Fabulous. And then you jumped 5 more. Yeah.
Because there's only 5, I draw a little small number line.
Wonderful. Thank you, Vashvik. He did an open number line. He knew exactly where to start and where to end, and he added. Okay. All right. So, Zara, remember, we're adding. So make sure that you have a plus. Now let's do our next one. Here we go. Let's solve this problem. To make the best smoothie, we add 4 bananas and 9 strawberries. How much fruit do we need? Okay, to make the best
10,
smoothie.
11, 12, 13.
Oops, somebody's unmuted. Oh no, don't make us stop. Check your mutes. Should be red. Siddharth, thank you. To make the best smoothie, we add 4 bananas and 9 strawberries. How much fruit do we need? So what's our question asking? Is it asking us to subtract, to add? What is the question? If mom told you that we needed to get 4 bananas and 9 strawberries, is that adding them together or subtracting? Question is, how much fruit do we need for our smoothie? So now what you're doing right now is determining how to solve it and what it's really asking. Ooh, I see a number line coming up. I see a lot of numbers. Oh, I see a count on strategy, Siddharth. Beautiful. Oh, let's see who else. Joshua, go ahead and write your equation down. I see tens frames. Ooh, making a 10. Fabulous. Ooh, look at Vashvik's got a number bond. I wonder if that will help us. And let's see. Oh, I love Arna's equation, and she's showing me how she's solving it. You guys are the greatest. I love this. Fabulous job, guys. Look at those tens frames. Well, if you have a tens frame, make sure there's only 10 spots in it. If there's 11 or 12, it's not a 10 frame anymore. So make sure that when you are drawing your 10 frame, and there's a special way to do it, it only has 10 spaces. All right, guys. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Oh, Ava Marie's getting a T-chart going. Oh, I wonder how that will solve it. And I see a lot of correct answers. How efficient you are. Let's do the last one. Last one. Whoops, I went to the wrong one. Here it is. Okay, I will read this to you. Once again, this is practice. See if you can figure out how to solve a word problem. We found 46 crayons in Mrs. Fox's classroom. We found 10 more in Mrs. Cruz's classroom. How many crayons did we find? We found 46 crayons. We found 10 more. How many crayons did we find? This guy's thinking so hard. Okay, Joshua, I would suggest that will not help you solve your problem. I would suggest that you erase it and then try to solve your problem. Do you see a lot of great examples on the screen? Ooh, look at that. I do see somebody's talking about a hundreds chart. Ooh, look at the place value from Johnny. Nice. Oh, somebody's using count on 46 in your head and count on 10 more. Ooh, this looks so good. I do see that everybody understood the assignment to add. That's right. The problem was to add 10 more. That's a gimme, gimme plus. Gimme, gimme plus. I need more, more, more. 46 crayons and 10 more. Wow. So your correct answer should be 56. Did anybody use a hundreds chart? Go to 46 and slide down to 10. Ooh, would that be the most efficient way to do it? Would the place value like Johnny's be the most efficient? She's got vertical equation down. Wow. She added her ones and her tens together. Ooh, let's look at Zara. Zara would have a number line. I wonder what number she would start at. Ooh, Joshua, I like this. Very nice. Make sure you, I think that says, yeah, it does say 46 and 10 more. Let's look at Michael's. Oh, very good, Michael. I like your answer. It looks like we are using a number line. If you have a number line handy, it might not have that number on it. Most number lines that we have on our desks don't go up to 100. So you'd have to make your own number line and you would start at the number you need to start at. Oh, hundreds chart. Look at Arna. Beautiful, Arna. If you can't draw a hundreds chart, that's okay because your mind already knows how to count 10 more. 36, 46, 56, 66, 76, 86, 96. You already know how to count tens. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Jaden's got a number bond. It's time for the end of our NearPod. This is a collaboration board. You need to tell me about a math strategy. How do I know that you've got this? Tell me about a math strategy as fast as you can, and then we will play our game and be done. You guys did not interrupt me. I love you so much. And I apologize. In our small groups, you'll get to talk a little bit more. Okay, you know that. If you come to the small groups, everybody has more chances to talk and discuss and solve. Whoa, look at that. Yes, a T-chart. Siddharth, Larissa. Look at Adeline's hundreds chart. How do I, oh, Almo, tens and ones. Benito, number lines. Jaden's T-chart. Larissa, try again. I'm not sure what that is. Josh was, I got this. You can do it. You're right. Christina, beautiful count on. Oh, I love the count on kid. How cute is that? Who else? We have some more coming up. Yes, Yeleni, you do need to know what action to take. That's right. You need to know, am I adding? Am I subtracting? Is this equal? What am I doing? You do need to know those. Ooh, Ava Marie's looking at a pattern chart. Joshua's got a T chart. Joshua, I love it. All right. I'm not sure what that is, Michael. Try again. Let's do Larissa's hundreds chart. Yes, I love it. Look at all this good work. I know you've got this. You guys are telling me all sorts of fabulous strategies. Yes, a T-chart. Ooh, who's got that cube strategy? Remember that? How to solve it? Siddharth plus, beautiful. Yes, you absolutely need to know your symbols. All right, my loves, let's play our game. Are you ready? Yeah? Okay, we're gonna stop. Oh, look at this vertical equation. Jackson, I love it. Very nice, you two. All right, pups. You can practice this on your own. I promise to. Hold on. Do you want to leave the session? Yes. Do I want to stop sharing? Yes. Do I want to play a game with you? Yes. Remember, see this behind me? This could be you guys drawing my background. The best Zoom promise keeper for this week is Julian. He's going to submit a picture to me that he's drawn real pretty and cool, and I will put it behind my head if it's appropriate, and I will be happy to showcase how awesome you guys are. So, and a shout out to one of my friends, you know who I'm talking to, that helped me come up with this great idea. Thank you. All right, anyway, let's play our game. This game is, do you remember when I talked about how your dad said, go get me a bottle of water, and you went in the wrong direction? Well, think of word problem as like a maze. You have to figure out the fastest way to get there and get it done. All right. So we're going, Siddharth, what do you need? I can't get to my game. Go ahead. What's up? Quick.
I got the same thing, right? The awesome Zoom keeper.
Oh, that's true. That's true. We might be able to go back and add a few older pictures in, but for now, let's start with Julian's. And then if I have time, I will add yours in too. Okay. You never know. You might get it again. All right, guys, let's do this game. Here we go. So I'm going to give you a job. You are going to have to follow the directions, understand the assignment, and get back to me, scavenger hunt, in 20 seconds. Just like a word problem, if you don't understand what I'm asking, you won't be able to do it. All right, so get ready. First problem, 20 seconds. And you can't go and do anything until I say go. So listen carefully. All right, here I go. Oops. Here I begin. The baby is crying. He's so sad because he wants chocolate milk. But the only thing is he doesn't have anything to stir it with. So he needs something shiny and round to stir his chocolate milk. Shiny and round, stir chocolate milk. On the clock, go. 1, 2. If you don't have it, you could draw a picture of it. Yeah, and hold it up. Absolutely. Oh, look who's so efficient. 6. Look at that. Oh, that's not round. That's pokey. Oh, got to get a round one. Yes, excellent. Look at these efficient folks. They understood the assignment. 12. 13. Can you stir milk with that, Yeleni? Oh, you could draw a picture of something. Yes. 17. Good work, guys. Oh, that's awesome. If it's not round, it's not right. It's got to be a spoon. Beautiful. Okay, we have time for one more. All right, put your spoons down. And thank you. If you didn't have it, you could draw a picture. Absolutely. Now we're going to do the next one and the last one. Here it is. The baby is crying. He's so tired and cranky, and he won't fall asleep until he hears a story that you can read that has an animal in it. Okay, wait. I didn't say go. Get your bottoms back there. Hey, Addie, come back. All right, so here we go. Ready? Story, animal, you can read. Go. 1, 2. Ooh, look at 3, 4. Oh, I love it. Good work, guys. 5. Yes, you can read it, right? 6. Oh, look, now Joshua's got one. Siddharth, Benito, Adeline, Jaden, Christina, Jules. Yes. Ava Marie, fabulous. Yeleni, Vashvik. Awesome. Okay. Oh, look at this. Oh, Olmo, good. I like it. Siddhartha, bad kitty. Jackson, Vashvik, and Eva Marie, Michael. Wonderful. You understood what to do. You are excellent problem solvers. Fabulous. Give yourself some snaps. It's time for our, and you know what? I gotta say, I'm sorry. I knew I was going to talk a lot through this one, but if you come to the small groups, you will get a chance to talk to me, okay? All right, any questions? No? I'll see you in the small groups. Larissa, what's your question? Go for it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. So my question
Is that a question?
huh?
Is that a question?
Okay.
Bye.
I have one question. Why do you keep minions? Why do you keep minions?
All right, so let's go with Benito first. Benito, what is your question?
But my book is the 3 Billy Goat Graph.
Oh, I love the 3 Billy Goats grub. I love that story. Thank you,
Yeah,
guys.
Yeah, we have it too.
Okay, thank you, Lovey. I'll see you in your small group. Julian, oh, I love it. Arna, do you have a question for me? I love Splat.
I have like 2 things to say.
Okay,
This book have an activity in it too.
Oh, I like that. Okay, what was your
And
other?
also, you say the promise and the rule, like the words, the alphabet. They say the promise rules, so they make the word promise.
That's right. It's called an acronym. That's right. You can make an acronym with your name. AARNA. Awesome, amazing, responsible. What does N stand for? Nice. And what would your last A stand for? Apple. No, I don't know. So you can make your very own acronym. Thank you, my loves. Okay, I gotta go. I'll see you in your small groups. Bye, 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 bye,
Wait,
bye, bye. Love
Wait,
you.
I have one little doubt.
What?
I have one little doubt. Why did you keep the minions in the picture?
Because they're cute and everybody loves them. Bye, puppy. Bye, guys.